everyone, today we'll be making paneer sweet potato platter. For that we'll take coriander, bell pepper, sweet potatoes, onion, garlic, lemon, avocado, paneer, chili flakes, oregano, tomato puree, olive oil, some salt and pepper. So first we'll take the garlic and chop it very fine. I've taken 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. You can take as many as you like. Mince it finely. Next, I'll take an onion, dice it into cubes. I've taken one medium-sized onion. Then I'll take a red bell pepper, half of it, and then dice it into cubes. Then we'll take a sweet potato and then cut it into thick wedges. I've taken 2 large sweet potatoes. So once everything is chopped and ready, we'll take the sweet potato in a bowl. Drizzle some olive oil. Crush rock salt, you all can use normal salt also. Crush black pepper. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. Toss them, rub everything properly on the sweet potatoes. I've preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now on a baking tray, I'll line baking paper and arrange the sweet potato wedges. We'll bake this now for 20 minutes at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. Till it gets baked in a wok, we'll add some olive oil. Let it heat. Add garlic to it. I'll fry the garlic till it turns little brown. Next, I'll add the onions. We'll fry the onion till it turns little translucent and it goes little soft. Next, I'll add the bell pepper. Again, saute it for some time. Next, tomato puree. I'll add some salt and let it simmer till all the water of the tomato evaporates. Once that is done, we'll add paneer cubes to it. You can use any form of protein that you like, veg, non-veg, whatever. Then I'll add salt and pepper to it. So our paneer is ready. We'll keep it aside for some time. Now I'll chop some coriander. Now I'll cut the avocado into 2 halves. De-seed it and remove it from the outer covering. And then slice the avocado. And now it's time to plate. So I'll take the avocado, put it on one side of the plate. Take the paneer mixture. And finally, add the potato wedges. You all can use normal potato as well, but sweet potato, as you all know, has a lot of better qualities than potato. So once this is plated, I'll drizzle some lemon juice. And garnish it with coriander leaves. So our yummy platter is ready to eat. It's very healthy. So guys, go ahead and try your own version.